Greetings, 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 families and friends. Yes, you know you tune in to the Crocus Bag Farmer channel. I'm Rastafari Soldier. I'm here under my common mango tree here, and I want you to look at this common mango tree. It's a big, beautiful common mango tree, and they're delicious. I'm telling you, and I want to preserve the breed. Plus, I would like to have some mango suckers to actually engraft, in the future. So what I'm doing, I'm going to pick up these mango suckers, put them in pots, transplant them. I also have a green sting tree over there. I'm going to also try to get some of them. So I want you to see the common mango suckers here. Basically, here you have a little sucker here that's just grow. It's perfect for engrafting, but at this time, I don't have any pot engraft. Well, I actually can do the engraft because I have a tree right now that I can do it, but time is of the essence right now. So I'm going to try to move some of them and then see what I could do to engraft some things on it and see if they catch. If they catch, then I'll be more than happy. But this is the mother of the tree right here, and I'm going to try to pick up some of these suckers right here, the common mango. So remember, it's Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, the Crocus Bag Farmer. I'm showing you. I have my pots here. I'm going to pick up some of the suckers. I was thinking about, shoveling up the dirt and put it in the pots from now, but I think I'm going to try to retrieve the suckers early in the morning here. I already missed an appointment. I'm underestimating the time. I got up and left too early at my house. I didn't know the gentleman was coming. King mango tree right here, which I have suckers beneath it right now. So, but this is the Julie tree that I want to, engraft. Beautiful, beautiful tree. Yeah. And this is my brother's property. There's a whole bunch of junk in the road. Another ear. Yeah. And I need to spray this down dirt in it. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the suckers out, put like 10 or 20 in the pot and move with those, and then go plant them real quick. So I'm just going to choose some of them, alright? Here's one. Get them out. Here you have it. Here it is. Camera is kind of a little bit dull that way. But let me show you. Here's the seed. Here's the sucker right here, right? Yeah. I don't know if these are gonna make it, but I'm gonna try them. But they're young. Wow, look at this one. Can I dig up to a mango tree? Can I dig up to a mango tree? Yeah, it's a mango tree there. Yeah, I plant this so when you grow up you can eat some, Yeah, that's what the farmer do. Plant for the future. When them young, them not push the whole heap of root as yet, Them eat it. But I wish I had a bag. That's what I should have did. But I brought the pots. The idea has changed. Yeah, here they are. Yeah, I'm gonna bring them up now. See if I can stick them in some dirt, wet them up. Right? Yeah. So remember, I'm the Crocus Bag Farmer, Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, red, green, and gold. I'm planting up some mango suckers start my mango farm. Yes, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, and look at this. All these are mango plants, little baby plants. You see these little plants? Free. That's a big tree right there. I wanna replace those cedar trees and put some fruit trees. So I wanna have some mango sucker. See, I have cane already. Yeah, yeah. There's a sugar cane, and I just plant some papaya and pumpkin. Okay. I wanna plant some pumpkin on the front here before I leave too. But I wanna make sure this is one of my goals to start up a little nursery in the back again, because I keep farming even until the morning. So remember to subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, it's Rastafari Soldier. Always be here farming every day. So make sure say you're farming also. Plant not just for yourself, but for the future, for children, for other people who haven't even born as yet. Okay, our farmers are thinking of the future. So I want love, more life, more joy, more happiness. Me love me farming from evening till the morning. Yeah, the real farming jella. Rastafari Soldier, red, green, and gold. Yeah. Okay, family. Here are the plants right here. Battery running low, and here are the pots. I'm gonna put them in. All right. So these are some pear seeds that I have. I'm gonna put in some pots also. So I'm gonna grab the pots. As you see, they look like they're still in the ground, haven't even shaked or quailed, or they have a lot of resistance. So I'm gonna get them in the pot. All right. Bless up yourself, family. Okay. And I want to show you the amazing color of the dirt, people. Amazing color. Look at the color. It's amazing. Yeah. And you see how much dirt I got? The whole barrel full of dirt. Look at the little spot that I actually got the dirt from. And it's amazing. This is Jamaican dirt. This is loam. This is one of the highest bauxite in the world. Yes. Look at the little spot. Yes. The little spot. And I crushed my pumpkin vine. The little spot. And look at this pumpkin. It's a monster, people. It's a monster. Yes. A monster. The film cause it's difficult for me to do it all. So I'm showing you as much as I can. So I'm transplanting these mango trees right here, right now, into the pots. And hopefully, when they start bearing, I'll tell you about it. Remember, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer, ladies and gentlemen. I'm working hard, so, as you see, I'm sweating hard like a man. Yeah, men sweat, real men sweat. So remember, eat good, healthy living, yes, and make sure you use your food as your medicine, or your medicine will be your food. Bless up yourself, subscribe, like, and share. Real is real. More life, more joy, more happiness. I'm Rastafari Soldier, live transplanting some mango trees here at the Crocus Bag Farmer. Thank you for sticking with me. My sweat is dripping all over the camera, so I gotta put it down. Yeah, thank you. Okay, family. I told you the camera is low, so I wanna let you see what I've done so far, what I've transplanted already. Okay, and what I'm about to do right now. And it's a simple process. I'll see if I could transplant one of them, while holding the camera. Let you see. This process is pretty simple, because all you're doing is making sure you have soil in the pot. And I like to use my hand to actually, scratch away the location that I'm putting the plant. And then I just choose one. For example, of course, now I'm not going to find one now that I have the camera. And I put it in. And I don't put it too deep. I just, slightly. And when I wet it, it's going to be, firm. And that's the process, family. It's a pretty difficult and dirty work, but somebody have to do it. So remember, that's the process right here. My camera is filthy. I'm the Crocus Bag Farmer, Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, red, green, and golden. Yeah, I'm bolder. Keep on farming everywhere you go, every day.